With skyrocketing concert prices, it's no question that live shows are becoming more and more of a luxury commodity. A Lollapalooza ticket, for example, can run you about $400. But what does this mean for students seeking the concert experience? DGS has that answer.
I went to Zach Bryan. I really loved it. I went with my best friend Taylor, so that was really fun, and we got to bond over Zach Bryan music. The ticket prices were low-key expensive. They were $400, so I don't really know if it was worth it for one day.
SeatGeek is one of the most popular ticket apps, and you can see that for a Zach Bryan concert, the tickets can exceed a price of $300 for good seats, and that's not including taxes.
I've been to some other concerts as well, and for those concerts, the prices are a lot cheaper, and honestly, the experience is usually better when it's a smaller crowd, smaller venue. But Lollapalooza, I went 2 years ago, and it was still really fun, even though it was kind of overcrowded and expensive.
I also went to Lollapalooza over the summer, which was really fun. I went all 4 days, which was $400, but honestly, I thought that was worth the experience because I got to make so much more new friends and stuff like that, and I also got to see my favorite artists. But so honestly though, I think that Lala was the most worth it out of all of them, because obviously Lala was $400 and Zach Bryan was also $400, so I feel like Lala was way more worth it since it was all 4 days and I got to see, I guess, better artists that I liked more.
In Downers Grove with the Blueprint News Network, I'm Sebastian Blanco.